So we got this situation. Let n greater than 2 be integer. Take n distinct points on a circle. Okay, so we have to take n points on circle. N can be anything. Okay, they wish to take n points on the circle because they are rejecting those cases where you have taken 3 collinear points. Okay, so they want you to take all non-collinear points. Okay, now take n distinct point on the circle, join each pair of points by the line. Okay, so you have to connect all the points with a line. So you know that line can be side, line can be diagonal, correct? Now the idea is the color of the line segment joining each pair of adjacent side is blue. Okay, so if you are talking about consecutive sides, so it is blue. Okay, it is blue and the rest is red. Now remaining lines are red. Look at this. So can I say that the sides are blue and the sides are blue and diagonals are red? Correct or wrong? है ना? So we will have this kind of diagram. It will be like messy, but you need not to draw the diagram, but you have to imagine things. Okay, so the idea is, what I feel is, sides is blue, diagonals are red, है ना? Now if the number of red and blue lines are equal, okay, then find the value, then the value of n is. So who is blue? So they are saying that number of blue line is equal to red line, है ना? So there exist n points. N points are there. So suppose that we are interested in finding sides. So you know that the number of sides is n only. Means if it is 3 point, we will have a triangle, 3 side. 4 point, quadrilateral, 4 sides. Okay, so the number of sides is what? N. So who is red? Red is the number of diagonals. And do you know that diagonals is also a straight line? So we will find all the straight lines NC2 and we will remove the sides. It will become diagonal. So can I say that NC2 minus N will provide us the number of diagonals? Correct? So look at this. Now can I write 2n is equal to n factorial 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial. Now you can write n factorial as n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial by 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial. This thing gone. So it is 4n. So it is n square minus n. So it is like you can send that 4n to that side. So n minus 5n, n square minus 5n. I can take n common. So n minus 5 equals to 0. So either n is 0 or n is 5. But you know that they have told you to take n as greater than or equal to 2. So the required number of sides, means the required number of points, are 5. I hope the idea is clear.